Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you ever wonder how companies like Netflix or Amazon decide which feature works better? Today I will show you the testing secret they use. It's called bucket testing. What is bucket testing? Think of it like this. You have a bunch of users and you split them into the buckets. Each bucket gets a slightly different experience, like bucket A and bucket B. Bucket A might see the current version of your app or website, and Bucket B might see a new feature or a changed layout. Then you can measure how each group responds, which group clicks more, which one stays longer, which one buy more. That's how you decide uh, what works best. Why it is called as a bucket testing? It is just a metaphor. Instead of calling them a group A or group B, they are seen as a buckets of users. It's just a pouring your audience into different containers to try different recipes. How it is different from A/B testing? Technically, it's not different. In fact, uh, bucket testing is also called as a A/B testing, and it is also called as a split testing. Let's see the benefit of bucket testing. Mm, Bucket testing helps you to make data driven decisions, test features without affecting all users, reduce risk before launching big updates. We are using some tools uh, for a bucket testing, uh, like Optimizely, Google Optimize, Launch Directly. These are the tools that help to do this easily. Uh, let's see the real example. Imagine you are Amazon. You want to test a new algorithm that recommended products. You created bucket A and bucket B. Bucket A, which uses the old recommendation system, and bucket B gets the new one. Uh, you track how many people buy something or how long they spend browsing. If bucket B shows better result, then you should be go to the bucket B. Mm, that's it. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insight made simple. Thank you for watching this video.